to extend a very warm welcome to this special occasion, where we gather to honor the remarkable journey of our esteemed chief guest, Professor completed his tenure as Vice Chancellor of Cluster University. To begin with, I extend a warm welcome to our esteemed President of today's program, Dr. VVS Kumar Sir, Principal of Silver Jubilee College, Kurnool. So I request Famila Madam to welcome our President of today's program with a bouquet. Now I request the chief guest of today's program, Professor D.V.R. Sai Gopal Sir, Vice Chancellor of Cluster University, and I also welcome Mrs. Sai Gopal Srimati Vasanthi Madam Garu to the stage. I request Chandralekha Madam to welcome the chief guest with a bouquet. I extend a warm welcome to today's guest of honor, Dr. K. Venkateswar Sir, Registrar of Cluster University, Kurnool. I request Anusha Madam to welcome the Registrar Sir with a flower bouquet. I extend a warm welcome to our Special Invitee, Dr. M. Indra Shanti Madam, Principal, Government College for Men, Kurnool. I request Sunita Madam to welcome the special invitee in the floor. To come to the dais, and I request Vinila to welcome sir with a flower bouquet. Sir, please. Let us. I extend a warm welcome to our esteemed special invitee, Sri K. Chandrasekhar Kalkura Garu, to the dais. I request Pavani Madam to welcome our esteemed special invitee with a flower bouquet. Thank you, madam. I extend a warm welcome to Sri JSR K. Sharma Garu, Telugu Bhasha Vikas Samiti President. So I request her to occupy the dais. I request Parvati Madam to welcome Sharma sir with a flower bouquet.
Not a dais, I have to.
Your seat on the dais. To start the proceedings, now I hand over the program to the President of today's program.
Play sung by Dr. Emil Pavani, National Mathematics, K1.
नमामि महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महा